Ever misplaced your Afterpay card number when you need it most? Don't worry, I'm going to show you exactly where to find it. First, make sure you have the Afterpay app installed on your phone. If not, download it from the App Store. Then, open the Afterpay app and tap on the Card tab at the bottom of your screen. It looks like a debit card icon. This will bring up your virtual Afterpay card. You'll see your name, the card image, and the last 4 digits of your card number. To reveal the full card number, look for a button or link that says something like Show Card Number, Reveal Card Details, or View Card. Tap on that button. You may be prompted to verify your identity using your phone's security features like Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. Once you've confirmed your identity, your full Afterpay card number, expiration date, and CVV will be displayed on the screen. You can now easily copy the card number and paste it wherever you need it, for example, when making an online purchase. To copy the card number, tap and hold on the number, then select Copy from the options that appear. Also, don't forget to take note of your CVV or security code, which is a 3-digit number usually found on the back of physical cards, but displayed here for your virtual card. Keep this information safe and secure. And that's it. Now you know how to easily find your Afterpay card number within the app. Remember, never share your card details with anyone and keep your Afterpay app secure. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.